It's Becky with Bee Mom. Today we're talking about snacks. I'm going to show you some easy ways to snack. Let's do that. So I hope this video was helpful for you. I hope that this will give you some good ways to have some snacks so that you can feel safe about that in between your meals. Just have 100 calories like once. And here's a little trick. If you eat less than what I showed you, if you eat maybe 1 cup of popcorn and then have a piece of the lunch meat, that'll help you feel fuller longer in between. And eventually you might not need so many snacks. Me, I have a snack usually between breakfast and lunch, and a snack usually between lunch and dinner. And that's how I do it. So hopefully that's helpful to you. And if this is a great channel for you, if this is being helpful, please subscribe. If this video was helpful, then like it. I did something different. And so if you like this format better than me talking my little head off the whole time or whatever, then comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. I'm trying some new things and I just want to present some great ideas to you. So here were a couple of little recipes for a good dip you could have with some of your fruit. Ooh, so good. Great with apples too. 1 apple, 60 calories. You got this. And it was great, and thanks for joining me. Talk to you later.